Hi mga Karon Bell! Welcome to Dusit Thani Mactan Cebu Resort. Another resort na naman ang ipapakita ko sa inyo. I'm proud kasi nasa hometown ko ito. Isa ito sa magagandang resort dito sa aming lugar. Hindi talaga kayo magsisi pag dito kayo naka-check-in at naligo. Worth it talaga yung pera nyo dito. Promise. Good news, may promo sila ngayong September 2023. Sa day use and then weekday, 1,500 lang net per adult. Tas pag weekend, excellent deal nila, 2,500 net per adult. And then if you are with circle of friends of 5, may barkada package sila na 10,500 on weekends. Sa property amenities nila, may free parking, may free high-speed internet, fitness center with gym or workout room, may bar or lounge, may pool, and then my beach, my kids stay free, my babysitting. Sa room features, my bathrooms, air conditioning, desk, housekeeping, interconnected rooms available, my coffee or tea maker, mini bar, my cable at satellite TV. Sa room ties, my ocean view, 9 smoking rooms, suites, family rooms, and smoking rooms available. Room price starts at 12,000 plus. For inquiries and reservations, just call +63 32 888 1388 or email at all small letters allfbdtmc at doset.com. As I've mentioned before, they have gym or workout station. They rate 4,000 net per person. If quarterly naman, 10,000. And then for 6 months, 18,000. For yearly, 30,000. Then my inclusion na 5 swimming pool and beach passes per month, 20% discount on food and beverage, 20% discount on non-promotional spa, treatment and non-spa, free initial fitness instruction, use of gym locker, use of gym and pool towels, automatic enrollment to the Dusit Gold or Life. Members with additional guests will be charged 1,500 per entry, maximum of 2 guests. Operating hours are from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. For inquiries about the gym, just call +63 32 888 1388 or email at all small letters dtmc@doset.com. Their location is at Punta Ingaño, Mactan Island, Lapu-Lapu City, Cebu, Philippines. Sure talagang ma-enjoy yung mga bata dito dahil may playroom sila or kids area. Sa mahilig mag-pool, may swimming pool. Sa mahilig lang sa beach or sa dagat, meron din. Para sa mga ayaw maligo na gusto lang lumanghap ng sariwang hangin or ma-feel yung sea breeze, okay. So ano na, maganda ba? So magdesisyon ka na. I-reserve mo na yung gusto mong date. Perfect place talaga ito para sa family bonding. Looking forward to have family bonding here also. Happy to show you this, Annabelle.